Cryptocurrency is everywhere right now, but jumping into it can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to the game. Whether you're looking to learn more or just starting your crypto journey, we've got 5 essential tips that you need to know before starting to explore the world of crypto. Let's jump in. Tip number 1, do your own research. With thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, it's easy to get swept up in the buzz. But before you jump in, take a breath. Look into who's behind the project, what they're aiming to achieve, and how the community feels about it. The more you understand, the better equipped you'll be to spot real potential and steer clear of the red flags. Tip number 2, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is exciting, but it's also unpredictable. Prices can swing wildly in a matter of minutes. The golden rule? Only put in what you're truly okay with losing. Your rent, bills, and peace of mind should never be on the line. Tip number 3, security is everything. In the world of crypto, there's no bank to call if something goes wrong, it's all on you. Use strong, unique passwords, turn on two-factor authentication, and store your crypto in a secure wallet, preferably offline. A little extra caution goes a long way. Tip number 4, keep an eye on the fees. Every time you buy, sell, or transfer crypto, there's usually a cost involved, and during peak times, those fees can spike. Before making any move, take a moment to check what it'll actually cost you. Staying aware helps you avoid unwanted surprises and makes every transaction count. And finally, tip number 5, diversify your portfolio. Just like in traditional investing, putting all your money into one asset can be risky. The golden rule, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies helps you balance out the highs and lows. It's a smart way to stay flexible and better handle the market's twists and turns. By following these 5 tips, you'll be better equipped to make smarter, more informed decisions in the world of crypto. And while you're learning and exploring, remember that platforms like CoinMama are here to help when you're ready to take that next step. And that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked this video hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time.